pila ban bom jingam mengi bat siatro nrengin turbek chapok sekretariat ong uba ardent ni yang survive pi parlo ki bejusun tenat ban page ya ki video ha kan ke channel KHASI TV habo pedang ya ke jingaki jong ka seng VPP hapo ka jingalam jong presiden jengka kata uba ardent milar basayomot uba dairu UMLA jong ka nongkran konstituensi habalai kendu ya ki officer jong ka Sorkar di bala persyang ban khang nentino ya ka jingaki joki bat ka jinglek joki chapok sekretariat uba ardent ulaong ba pila ban siat lani pila ban dat lani ban show haduk ban jam henringin turbek chapok sekretariat.
If we feel that we are going to create trouble, this is a democratic expression of opinions. And you can arrest. No, there is a law that you can arrest person on the preventive detention. You can arrest us if you feel that we are going to create trouble. If you feel that you have sufficient ground to proceed with this section 144 CRPC, you go ahead. No, you are just doing what the master told you to do. Simply that. We know. So you apply your mind. Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
We are following orders,
but don't follow the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The Supreme Court has stated clearly that you cannot invoke section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kata jingweng itu official Lokayukta sir, kadang nak kawai galak sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya kata kalat?
Kalat sir siap. In a peaceful way.
Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Ngapang mo siyang violent sa? Ang violent. Balum brio, bibun brio, bilik long. Kalau nada sa kadang hati.
Hey, kita kalau nada tu peningkan. Hey, kita kalau nada.
KHASI sa, KHASI Friday bawan honorable Home Minister. Kumakatus ni sa kami kios paking tekma.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media kamdan chu kabari.
Kamdan chu kabari. Tabali pinsuleran. Beli ini ka darab jat ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Hari hari chu upor, but because of internet kan tu jinjam ada Friday ru bahasan wrong message negative message ada sini belong plenary committee job
kadon kabha belong kita bagi
pinsuleran dengan represent wrong message. Yang jinjam
kamdai ka wrong message kadai ka right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mdai ban sudarab jot repair ki surak tang porwan ke central leadership ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu issues lah.
You are
a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, ka Sorkar. Boleh kau ajing tu district administration. Dan kami kata, kami kampun wet. Kalau himut banang bahkan kam buka sup kan kam jai le dengan isong nang ni, minum kit nang ni. Tapi boleh ngim lah bani ya. Bani kendu yo officer pula funing angan dia kendu. Dangal ai kendu ong tu ngin sekren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kendu. Ngim lah ban rai. What we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Yeah, not with guns. not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. That he so artian him so tikna yung itaptiar line up yung check yung iway. Dia nakataraw konbi kata ngalap keren. Bala ki government kimla ki government. Oh, ini imti kena red. Deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen. So
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.